In this lesson, we are going to see how to look at some concepts in a circle. We are going to start by graphing. So to graph the equation of a circle, some things we need to know is the general equation of a circle, which is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equals to r squared. So the center is given by the coordinates hk, and r represents radius. Okay, let's do an example here. So for this example, the center here is going to be 3, -1. And remember, to get the h value, you just flip the signs given. The radius is square root of 4, which is 2. So now all we need to do is to graph it. So 3 minus 1. So right there. The radius is 2. So we just count 2 on either side. So 2 over here. 2, 2, 2. Then we just need to connect. So there is a circle. We go to the next one. So here we have the center. The center here is 2, 5. The radius here is square root of 9, which is 3. And then we just need to graph it. So 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then the radius is 3. Just count 3, 3, 3, and 3. So we connect, and there is a circle. 1. So here we are told to write the equation of the circle. So we find the center. So the center here is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 with -4. And the y coordinate is 3. And the radius is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we write the equation. X plus 4, because it is x minus -4, plus y minus 3 squared is equals to 25. Okay, so now let's go to the next one. So on the next one, we're given the, so that's the equation. Go to the next one. We're given the center. The center here is 1, -1. Radius is 3. So the equation becomes x minus 1 squared plus y plus 1 squared. Y plus 1 squared is equals to 9. And that's the equation. Oh, those are the equations. Okay, go to the next one. So here we are told find the equation of a circle that is tangent to the y-axis. So if this is the y-axis, we are told that the circle is tangent to the y-axis. The center is -3, 2. So we have a circle touching the y-axis, and we are given the center. So this is 1, this is 2, and this is, see, from here, since this is a center, if I made the coordinate here, so this is 1, 2, 3, so this is 3, so this is center, 3, -3, 2. So here, how do I write the equation? So I know the radius now, because the radius is that distance here, which is going to be 3. So the equation becomes x minus plus 3 squared plus y minus 2 squared is equals to 3 squared, which is equals to 9. We go to the next one. So here we are told to find the standard form, the center, and radius of the circle. So this is where we apply completing the square. So let me start with, I'm given x squared. I put all the x's together, minus 4x, and then plus, then I have y squared plus 8y, and I need to move the 5 to the other side. So I just need now to complete the square. So here, this is going to be, so I have x squared minus 4x. To complete the square, I need to add minus 4 over 2 squared here, and so that is for x. So let me leave it in parentheses, and then plus, and then I have y squared plus 8y, and I'm going to add, so I take b, 8 over 2 squared, and this is equals to 5 plus, so this is negative, whatever I did on the left hand side, I do it on the right hand side. So this is 8 over 2 squared. So now I just need to simplify. So this is x squared minus 4x plus 4 plus y squared plus 8y plus 16 is equals to 5 plus, this is plus 4 plus 16, which is equals to 25. And all I need to do now is to factor each of these equations in parentheses. So this becomes x, two numbers I can multiply to get 4, add them to get negative 4. So that's going to be x minus 2 squared. I factor this one, it's going to be y plus 4 squared is equals to, this is equals to 25. And already you can see my equation here. So the center is going to be 2, negative 4, and the radius is going to be 5, square root of 25. So I was able to obtain my equation, and I was able to get the center, or right here. Okay, now this is what we call this is the standard form of the equation which we came up with. Okay, let's do one more example here which looks a little different. So you can see the coefficient here of x is 4. So we need to rewrite this one. We need to start by dividing everything by 4. So we're going to divide everything by 4 on both sides. And what do we get? We get x squared plus y squared plus 9y, and I'm going to move the 5 over to the other side, goes to negative 5 over 4. That way all the steps are taken care of. So now here I'm going to, let's put them in parentheses here. So x squared is just by itself. Then we have y squared plus 9y, and on the other side we have negative 5 over 4. Okay, now my next step, I just need to, let's see, this is x squared, so I don't need to, it's already a square, I don't need to complete a square there. So this one is going to be y squared plus 9y plus 9 over 2 squared and this is all equal to, on the other side we have negative 5 over 4, and this is plus 9 over 2 squared. So what do we get? So here we have x squared plus, see, this is going to be, when I factor this one, it's going to be y plus 9 over 2 squared, and on the other side, see, this is the same as negative 5 over 4 plus 81 over 4, which is equals to 76 over 4, which is equals to 19. So I get 19. So what is my equation? So my equation is x squared plus y plus 9 over 2 squared is equals to 19. What does that mean? The center is 0, 9, negative 9 over 2, or negative 4.5, and the radius is the same as square root of 19. So that's how to write the equation of a circle and given the equation which is not in standard form.